Hey everyone, it's Chris here at SLE in Nashville, Tennessee. I have here an 8.5 by 16 concession food trailer in black with blackout trim. This trailer is sitting on top of two 3,500 pound axles. It comes with a 50 amp electrical package, extended tongue, generator platform, city water fill, gray water waste. I'm going to be going over how to set up and use your trailer and some other important details. We have a side entry door on the driver's side with an LED light above that. Two propane cages on the rear. Concession window with pop-up concession table and two LED lights above that. Table's pretty easy to pull up and put down. Concession window doors, easy to pull up and put down. We're going to start at the front of the trailer with the 50 amp electrical package. Up here at the nose of the trailer on the passenger side is where you'll plug in. Before plugging in your power cable, make sure that the power is turned off at your power source. Once you've made sure that the power is turned off, you can then plug your cable in. You'll open this flap, push in, twist to the right, and tighten up that collar. Once you've done that, go ahead and turn the power on. When you're ready to shut everything down, go ahead and turn the power off. Come over here, undo your collar, push in, twist to the left, pull the cable out, and store it in the V-nose if you'd like. Coming around to the side here, you do have a small access door. This gives you access to your plumbing and electrical. You can see there your breaker system, inverter, fuse panel, and 12-volt battery, along with your power cable, your fresh water tank, and your hot water heater and water pump. Moving around to the side here. Oh, let me grab the keys real quick. Moving around to the side here is your city water fill. This will be on your driver's side. Once you get it open, you will have two orifices, one on the left, one on the right. The one on the left you'll just open up, and you can just drop your hose in there to fill up the freshwater tank on the inside. Once you're done, just pop that cap back on. On the other orifice, you do have a 1-inch hose fitting. You can hook up a water hose to this and have direct pressure to the cold side of your sinks in there. If you want to use both hot and cold, you will have to fill the freshwater tank and let it run through your hot water system and everything. And then hook up your cold water right there. Once you're done, just go ahead and close everything up. Shut that flap like so. Moving along the side, you have your gray water waste down here. Here you have the cap for it. It's a 3-inch fitting. You can get this 3-inch hose anywhere really, RV or camper supply store. Once you've got it ran to the proper dumping, you'll come over here to this handle, pull out on it. Once you've done that, release all the water, go ahead and close it up, pop the cap back on. Coming over here to the axles, you have 3,500 pound axles. You'll see a grommet in the middle. You'll pop that grommet out. There is a grease fitting behind it. You'll get you a grease gun and hook it up to that grease fitting. Fill the axles with grease. Every 10,000 miles or every 3 months is a pretty good maintenance schedule to keep up with. Stepping inside the trailer now, you do have this bar lock. Undo the bar lock, step inside. To the left, you do have your switches for all inside and outside LED lights. Moving over to the left of the trailer, you do have storage above the sink with this shelf and a secondary shelf above the sink as well. Coming down here to the sinks, you do have a hand washing station with hot and cold water. And you do have hot and cold water. To the right, this customer is requested for an empty stock trailer. So there is no equipment inside the trailer. We do have 3 outlets on the passenger side wall and 3 outlets on the driver's side wall. As you can see here, I have my plug tester plugged in, so 2 lights tells me it's good. On the face of the cabinet, you do have 2 cabinet doors. This just gives you inside access to the plumbing underneath. And to the left, in front of the hand washing sink, you do have a switch for your water pump. When you're not using it, just turn it off. When you are using it, just leave it on. That's everything inside the trailer. Again, this is a 8.5 by 16 black with blackout trim. It does have 50 amp electrical package, extended tongue with generator platform, 2 3,500 pound axles. And if you have any questions, feel free to call. My name is Chris up here at SLE. Thanks, and have a good day.